Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to make a presentation with audio narration and afterwards a video of how this presentation will look like. So I have a PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft Office. So I'll just click on that and this is my presentation. In order to make an audio narration along with the presentation, what I'm going to do is first of all I will click on the slideshow option here, and from the slideshow option I will choose the record slideshow. And once I click on the record slideshow, so it will give two options: record from current slide and record from beginning. So you can actually add narration to any of your slides of your PowerPoint presentation. Since my current slide is also the beginning slide, so I will record from the current slide. So as soon as this option turns up, uh, let me just explain. Now if you see this option below here, the video is being shown, and just below the video there is turn camera off. So if you click on the turn camera off, only your audio will be recorded and your video will not be recorded. Another thing is the record button here. As soon as you press the record button, you cannot go back, and your audio narration will start recording. Uh, Another thing that I would like you to know is that this PowerPoint presentation can be used as a whiteboard, and you can use the highlighter or the pen option here. I'll click on the highlighter option and I can draw around it, and there's an erase button as well. I can erase it as well. So I'll click on the erase button and it will start erasing everything. So you can choose any of the colors shown here. Once you click on the notes, you can actually read from the notes as well. So you don't need to have it in front of you in a piece of paper. You can just copy paste here all of your notes and you can just read from it. These notes will not be shown in the video narration. So I'll just try to show you uh, how this is recorded. So I'll go to the upper left corner and I will press on the start the recording button. And once the start recording button, the timer will start. So today's session is about permanent maxillary mandibular incisors, and I will be showing you the differences between maxillary and mandibular incisors. And once you have completed the narration that is needed for any slide, all you have to do is to click on the arrow button. Now this arrow button will go to the next slide, but since it's being recorded, it cannot come back to the previous slide. So I'll click on it, and here are the learning objectives. This is the second slide. So once this second slide, once you have completed your narration on the second slide, you can actually uh, see the timer here, how many seconds or minute are being spent on each slide. And once you've finished recording, uh, all you have to do is to press on the stop button, and you can actually replay it as well. So here I will show you the replay. So I'll click on it, and here are the learning objectives. This is the second slide. So once this second slide, once uh, you approve uh, the recording and you don't want to make any other changes, then you just press on close. Once you press close, this will be saved here. You can see this audio button here. If you maneuver your mouse over the audio button, you can actually see the different functions, and you can actually improve. You can tune up the volume of it as well if you click on it. So today's session is about permanent maxillary and mandibular incisors, and I will. Okay, the good thing about a slideshow recording as opposed to recording um, only the audio part is that you can change any of the slides and you can change the recording in any of the slides. So once you're happy uh, about the presentation, So you go to the file, and from the file you go to export, and from the export there's an option of create a video, and from the create a video uh, uh, the best is the standard 480p size if you want to email, if you want to send it to someone. But if you want to upload it as a YouTube, then the Ultra HD or the 1080p is are better options. So I'll just show you the standard 480p size, and since we'll be using the recorded timings and narration, so it's already clicked there. So we'll press on click create video and YouTube presentation, and it will start recording it. Depending on uh, the length and duration of the narration, and uh, uh, the time, it usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the number of slides and the duration of the narration. So this is how the video will be created, and it will be saved in the folder that you have chosen. So this is a very easy and effective way of adding narration to your PowerPoint slides and posting them as video. So I will just try to recap everything. So the how to make audio narration to your slide. All you have to do is to go to the slideshow options, and from the slideshow option you go to the record slideshow and record from current slide. And then, since the webcam is already turned off, all you have to do is to press the record button. Once you press the record button, the narration will actually start. The audio recording of the narration will start, and once you are uh, happy and confident, you will just stop it. And if you want to hear it again, you can replay it, and then if you press the close button, it will be saved in the PowerPoint. And in order to save it as a video, you go to the file option, export, and from the export create a video, and then standard 480p size, which is usually the smallest file size and of the lowest quality as well. And then you create on you press on the create video button. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please add in the comment section.